We had a barbecue in Saint-Tropez in May with some friends drinking booze, getting all loose. We drove the cars to the beach.
What's up, guys? Came out this morning. I am on the Holston. The current is pretty swift. Swifter than it's probably ever been when I've been out here. Got out here early this morning and got all the way out here. Put my kayak in and realized I didn't even have my fishing rods. Like, who does that? Big old tractor running over here. But had to run all the way back home, grab them. It's about 9 o'clock now, but it's only in the 70s, so it's not bad at all. But I'm just gonna have to see if I'm gonna go to fight this current. Alright guys, this ain't gonna work. I'm gonna paddle up kind of where I was going. Y'all can see this current. It's flowing. Oh my God, buddy. Wow. Oh no. No. God dang it. Still trying. I've been trying all day and yesterday. Maybe even the day before, I think. Me and Shane, me and Matt, even me and Ike went out one day. Damn nation, man. No luck for me today. All right. Let's see if we can catch the fish now, boys and girls. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm telling y'all. Got him. Got him. Got him. How about that, guys? Yes. Woo! Finally broke the ice. Ouch. Be still, dude. Calm it down. Booyah! About time. Let me get up out of here before I get caught underneath this bridge and mess my rods up. Little bitty guy. Finally Finally. Here, you're over here on this side. There we go. Little smallmouth, pretty little thing. All right, let's let it go. Try for some more. Fix my worm. I don't know what they're already done here. There's definitely a bit of a current, so it's making it a little challenging, to say the least. I gotta take this worm out. I'm gonna have to put a different one on. He ripped that one out of hell. Guys. Throw another one of these June bugs on. I'm gonna fish this hole in front of this cliff here, this rock, facing all the way down through there. And see if I can't catch some more right off the face of it. Just gonna work this June bug. See what we can do now. Alright, we broke the ice. We got one on the board. Cheers to that. Those things fight great. That's amazing. That's a fat one right there. Look at that belly. That's a fat little fish. Sweet. Number 2. Yes. Man, it feels good to break that little damn dry spell I had there. Awesome. Let's take a picture of this one. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see me, but wow, what a day. I've been fishing from sun up to sun down. I went home and took a little nap earlier, waiting on Shane to get off work, but finally caught a couple smallmouth, man, thank God. It's almost dark now, and we are about to head back to the truck. They're starting to hit this topwater, so we're going to throw this topwater jig out a few times on our way back. So guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching our channel, and as always, remember, Bass and Beer, baby, right here. Boom. Cheers. Till next time.